Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be comparing some colors to Opera Rose by Winsor Newton, and I love this color. It's just I've not found anything like it, and it's just a really perfect color. However, it is not light fast, and so I've really started to wean myself away from using it because of that fact. It's just makes a wonderful flamingo color. You mix a little yellow and it ends up being a really pretty kind of peachy tone. But being that it's not light fast, I just don't feel like that. I'm sorry. I dropped something. I just don't feel like that it's fair to my customers if they're paying for some art that's not going to last. So I'm going to compare Opera Rose today to some Da Vinci Reds. And I have no idea because I've not tried these yet. I just got them in the mail yesterday and I've put them out in order on my little palette here. And we're going to start with the Red Rose Deep. And it comes in I think it's 37 mil tube. I don't see that, but it has very good light fastness. The pigment that they use is PV19. And it's one of their Quinn ones. Let's see, make sure that yes, okay. So let's see what that color is going to look like on paper. Well, I mean, that's pretty good compared to when you compare it to this. I mean, it's closer than anything so far that I've seen. So I'm thinking that it's a close second. It doesn't have quite the vibrancy that the Quinn does, or that the Opera Rose does, I'm sorry. Okay, the next one I have is Permanent Rose. It's also a Quinn. It's PV19, it's transparent, and its light fastness is very good. So let's try that. I'm seeing some of the real bright pink in there that I like. And I would say, now as you can see, this has a little more, it's a transparent color, but it has a little more pigment, it seems like, to it. I'm not sure what this just turns a darker red if you do that. But, I mean, I'm not going to get this exact shade ever, obviously, so I think I could live with that probably. Alright, the next one I have is the Da Vinci Red, and this was a mistake while I was ordering because I don't buy semi-transparent or semi-opaque paints ever, and I don't know, I must have just gone back in and clicked on something and thought that I have no idea how it happened, but anyway, I ended up with something that I probably will never use, and it's just a regular red. But I like to work in light layers of very transparent color, so that's just probably not something that's for me. And now I don't think that I was trying to compare this to the Opera Rose. I just thought the Quinn Violet looked really pretty. It's transparent. And again, they're using the PV19 pigment in it. So let's see what, oh, this is going to be a really nice violet. Okay. So I like that a lot. I'm sure I'll get some use out of that. And then the last one that I have is the Quinn Fuchsia. And it is a PR202. It's transparent and the light fastness is excellent. That's a nice bright color too. So I think as far as a winner for me, it's going to be the Permanent Rose, because it's so close to the Opera Rose. And actually either one of these, that's probably a little more red. Yeah, this has just a little more intensity, a little bit more of a hot pink tone to it than the Red Rose Deep. So Permanent Rose for me today is the winner.